Hey guys, Jason Geiman here with PressureWashHelp.com, and today I am going to give you a review of my last 2 days. I had a pressure washing training. I had 7 people come from everywhere from Texas, Dallas, Texas. A guy drove in from Dallas, Texas. A guy come from Maine. I had some from Chicago, 2 from that area. I had a couple guys come from New York City, and I had a great class. We had 7 for my pressure washing class, and I had 2 for my Christmas light class. Actually, I take that back. I had 4 for my Christmas light class. I forgot that one only did most of the inside stuff, but it was a great time to learn about Christmas lights this weekend and pressure washing. So in this video, I'm going to kind of give you some what we did in those classes. We have my trailer here, and DJ Lyle with Liberty Power Wash helped me this weekend, and we had a great class. Had a great turnout. The rain kind of sucked the last day on the pressure washing, but we made it happen, and we had a great class, and everybody learned something or learned a lot. I will have a review from one of the guys on the end of this video, and then in a few weeks you'll probably see some more reviews coming from that class. So the first day we taught all about safety, and we learned all about different in classroom about safety and stuff, safety of chemicals, safety of ladders, everything to know how to pressure wash, the whole 9 yards. We go through and learn what equipment we need and all that great stuff. And then the first day we was out washing a house, and we learned how to do house washing with a downstream injector, with an X-Jet, and with a 12-volt system, or a soft wash kind of system with 12-volt. We learned how to do concrete cleaning, the whole 9 yards. So I will give you some pictures and photos here that we're going to go through the training, and then at the end of this video there will be a short video of a review. Go check out PressureWashHelp.com if you would like to know about training or upcoming training. I'm going to try to keep my PressureWashHelp.com/training up to date of classes that I will be having coming up moving forward, and all that great stuff. So in here you can see that Mr. Brian Foster from Arkansas is doing some soft washing. He was doing the front of the house using the downstream injector. He's actually doing some rinsing right now. Rinsing the house. He had already soaked, rinsing the windows, how to properly rinse, how to properly add soap, the whole 9 yards. Over here we had another unit running and doing surface cleaner with the surface cleaner. So we have 2 groups of people able to keep working and learning at the same time, so that way we are able to make sure that we are efficient in doing
this. And that's the hard part to get mentally for me to get over that kind of stuff.
You got
I'm getting better.
At nighttime to put your yard.
That's what I do. I do out in the middle of the night. Yeah. I do in the middle of the night.
That's what I do.
You wear dark clothes and
I take my daughter's car because, you know, a little small compact car for everything in the bag.
Big fella in a ghillie suit.
And then it's hard when it's like concrete out because you can't get the
But
sun in there.
again, it goes back, and this is even sales. You're gonna get told no. You know, and you can't be afraid of what no means. No don't always mean no. It just means you haven't done your job of selling it right, you know.
Yeah.
And so some people some people aren't your customer.
Yeah.
And they are gonna tell you no. So guess what? You just gotta be able to overcome that. And that was a hard thing for me when I first started learning, was that getting told no.
Yeah.
You know, because then you feel all down and depressed, and you're like, well, I must suck then. But it's not.
Yeah.
It's all about, you know, we know now that our close rate is 50%. So guess what? We're getting told 50% of the time of no.
So we're showing the difference between 5 gallons versus 4 gallons on flow. We got our New Zealand guy here, all the way from New Zealand, learning about pressure washing. Actually from Maine. Got Mr. Fireman.
So here is some stuff that we had cleaned. This was some nasty green. We got it nice and clean. We actually use the 12-volt soft wash to do that. Here we had some furniture, lawn furniture that was pretty funky. And we decided to clean it up, make it look like brand new versus old and nasty. And probably never been sit in for weeks or months. It looked so bad, so we cleaned it up. It actually had flowers on it, and you could even tell it had flowers beforehand. So we wanted to just get it cleaned up. You see he'll turn it around here, and we will wash the backside. And it was pretty bad. We did make them look new, and this is just kind of cleaning the furniture to help it make some. We actually had some questions about furniture cleaning, so this was the perfect time for me to hit it with this. This was the second house that we did, and we did 2 houses of pressure.
We did pressure washing class. Some of us are still doing it over there. DJ's helping me out. And we have a student right here. And he's come all the way from New Zealand. Not really. Technically, he came from Maine. He might be hard to understand. We give him crap about it in here. But how was the class, and what all did you learn?
Yeah, class was awesome. We went over everything from the equipment needed, soft washing, pressure washing, to the marketing, business side of it, how to really chase competition, and how to get more clients.
So what did I need to do better to make it a better class?
Oh, that's a tough question.
Well, good. That means nothing, right?
Yeah, no, it was good all around. It was spaced out nicely, enough practical versus theory. Yeah, I don't think I can add anything.
Awesome. Good. So would you recommend it to anybody else?
Definitely, if you're starting a pressure washing or soft washing business, or thinking about doing it, maybe as a side gig, it's definitely worth the money just to get some theory and some practical experience. Set you up for marketing and advertising, stuff like that, because a lot of people don't bother spending any time or money on the advertising side of it. So yeah, it's definitely worth it.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you, buddy.